don't let people boss you around. Don't become enslaved to a curriculum or to the standards. Like, why should the state standards be our standards? Like, our standards are much higher than that.
Yeah.
And just knowing that the only certainty in life is death, and thinking about the fact that I'm not always going to be around for my kids, for my children. So I don't want to shove a curriculum down their throat. It's not the content. What do I want to leave with them? Right? Even homeschooling wise, like focus more on the skill and not the content. Like once you've given them the skills and that to like beautifully imparted it to them with love and nurturing, then they can access any curriculum and they can learn anything they want to. So I would rather just cuddle and play and hug them and love them and talk about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and model that in my own life. Like I'm reading tafsir and then I gift it to them, or I'm memorizing surahs and so are they. Like we do things together, or like stories of the prophets, Sahaba stories, and constantly, like it's all integrated and woven into, like even when we're writing, even if it's like Nelson Mandela, we'll end up bringing in other personalities who had a similar struggle, right? So you can basically tie everything back to the deen and make everything like based on your niyyah an act of worship. So I think again, homeschooling, it's not only an extension of parenting, but it's an extension of us being a servant to Allah and how we want our children and all of us to be like together in Jannah ultimately. So when you keep that as your goal in the back of your mind, then it becomes easier to deal with, like, if your child doesn't want to do like that math page for the day, it's okay.